Let's open her up and have a look. Let's see what she's like. Well, it's just packaged basically in a box, no padding or anything. It's quite sturdy. So it's got a very sturdy handle. Is it 1, 2, 3, 5? It has 2 handles, one on the top for pulling. Obviously it's got some wheels on the bottom. That looks pretty good, and it's a flip pull locking system. It's pretty solid. It is pretty solid. I can't knock that. Okay, it's got an air valve in there as well to open and close to allow air into and out of the actual case. So it's got 6 locks, and it's got 4 points to put locks onto, so you can actually lock the bag if you're obviously putting it on a plane or something, I would imagine. Let's have a look on the inside. Okay, so it has foam. The foam is a bit, but then that can be stuck down. Can be stuck down. That's quite nice. It's quite padded though, so I suppose it's got some depth in it. It's got some depth to it. So once it's in, it will compress down, hold it in place nicely, which is very nice. You don't want it rattling around. So yeah, that is pretty nice. Well, there's not much you can say about it. The hinge system looks quite good. It's got several points of contact on each of the 4 hinges with a metal strip running through the center holding it all together, so that's quite sturdy. That's not going to come apart quite quickly, and it is a tough plastic. So okay, sticker's a little bit, then I suppose that's part of the moulding under there. You've got something for probably the mould feed, so you've got that raised slightly. But it's got like a nice matte black finish, and as I say, it is quite sturdy. Well, I think maybe what the best thing to do is try and put something in it. So, in fact, I think it needs a little bit of decorating. So give me 1 minute. I prefer that a bit decorated. I will, once I've decided in the firearm direction, actually paint some arrows for the muzzle direction on it as well, so anybody that's opening the case, whether it be at competition or an airport, knows the direction of the muzzle. Right. Let's have a think about. Again, that is going to get annoying quick. That needs to be stuck down. So, considering, so that'll be up. So, I would say, right, Right, this is my M&P 1522, and this will fit into this very nicely. So you could actually get that into it. I could probably get at least, again, this is just a rough fitting, you know, I could probably get 6 or 7 mags in there and ammunition for a competition. So that would work. I do like that. Let's see if we close it. Okay, so it's got, yeah, so obviously you can feel the give, and then obviously just whacking one of these in place. Yeah. I won't do them all up, I'll just do the front ones up for now to hold it in place. And nothing's moving inside there. Nothing is moving in there at all. Oh, I wonder. I actually might think about. I wonder if I can get my box fed in here. Give me 1 minute. Give me 1 minute. Right, I'm back. Now I don't know. I didn't actually think about this, but I've been looking for a case because I found it very difficult to transport my open division gun. I've got a tricked out Typhoon F12, and I wonder if that will fit in this case. Obviously, you're not going to get the ammunition in for it. Yeah. Oh, you're joking, it fits. That is brilliant. I've had a real chore transporting this gun everywhere, and every bag that I've been able to get for it, the barrel's sticking out of the end. So that's great. So let me have a look magazine wise. So magazines, I could probably, well, I'd get probably get 4, 5 at a squeeze. One in there, close it down. I want to keep things away from the red dot. But yes, oh, I love that. I absolutely love that. That is perfect. I'm buying another one of these. I'm definitely buying another one of these. Hopefully I've got some more stickers to decorate it. But I'll get that on order ASAP. And I've got a transportation gun for this as well, bag for this one as well. Well, all in all, I'd say that's a win, this one. So anyone that's looking to upgrade their transportation of their firearms, I would definitely say check this out. Obviously, I don't know long-term use. Everything looks pretty sturdy, so it doesn't look like anything's going to break anytime soon. It is molded plastic, but you know, it works. As I say, you've got the wheels on the bottom, so literally you can close the case, seal it up. Close the bottom one, just to close it. And then obviously with that handle there, you've got the wheel system that can run down through there. All in all, I would say that's a pretty sweet unit. Definitely. definitely worth a look. Very sturdy, very solid. I'd definitely get yourself one. Take it steady, guys. I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers. Like and subscribe.